Okay. So can you see my screen now?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So yesterday we discussed about the account balance display, document reversal, reset, how to look into any particular document, the clearing of the document, the complete part of the account balance. So do you have any question in that?
Not as of now. If I go through and then once I get access, I might have something and I will get back to you.
Sure, no issues. So today we will be looking into the configuration part of the account balance so that it would be more clear like how this screen is being configured, okay, for a specific client, okay. This screen is not generic, okay, so this screen can be configured based on the client's requirement, okay. So SAP has given provided some layout. If you just click on here layout variant, so these are the variants, okay. SAP has provided these are standard variants, photo by beacon, line item display, okay, oval and all. But this is the specific layout, okay. So this ZNI, ZN2, you would be looking into this all ZN2, ZNI into the configuration, okay. So if you click on this, so this the layout will be changed. Okay. In the same way, if you click on something else, I mean line item display, the complete, just see this, the document number based on main transaction, sub transaction, you get the information. Okay. Okay, so now we will be looking into the configuration part. Financial accounting, contract account receivable and payable. In the basic functions, so this is in the basic function you will get the most of the configuration, which is posting, contract account, number range and all, you will get it here. You will see this all as well. Okay, the number range and contract account category. Here you have to maintain the number range, define number range of the contract account. See, based on the category. So here we have defined three type of contract account. So that is why we have given the three number ranges. Okay, the current number that is being used is 212,399, and for this 199,8899. So this is the number range 234, and this we have to assign it against the contract account. Against the contract account category C. Configure contract account category and assign number range. See. 234 is the contract account category. This is the contract account category, and this is the internal number INR number ranges. Internal number ranges. This is for the collective billing. If you just click on this, okay, so 3 would be processed for the collective billing, because for the second category, I mean 03 number category, we have defined it for the collective billing. Okay, so that is why we have clicked on here, so that it would be the second number would be processed for the collective billing. Okay, and the same way the fourth was in the miscellaneous account, like for the seasonal account. Okay, and the first one is the generic one. Okay, one business partner is allowed. If you click on this, okay, you cannot assign two business partner, okay, to one contract account. Only one business partner would be allowed.
Okay.
So this is there. Contract account relationship, archiving configuration would be there. So we will see it later, maybe like this. There are many, okay, posting and documents in this. We will define the main stuff and all. So let us see to the account balance first. So this is the complete configuration for the account balances.
Okay.
So let's see this. Here we have to define the list type. So this is the not modifiable server, that is why new entries are not coming. Otherwise, we would have a new entries tab over here. So this 0001 is the standard list type provided by the SAP. All items, this we have defined all items for NNWW is the client. The same way all open items for NNW, if you select all open item would be displayed for the account balance. Okay.
Okay.
So this is again to other. This is define line layout variant.
Okay.
Okay, so there are many here. Yes.
Hello.
Let us see this one, ZN1, okay, which we have looked into. ZN1 is here, and just go in the display. So this is there. See, line layout ZN1 this. So this you can define it. Okay, A, B, C, D, and the specific range. I mean, field number of items. Okay, based on the field of the document number is of 10 digit or 14 digit, and you can just specify or you can just increase the range. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. A is for traffic lights, and these all are the standard thing. I mean, just if you give it from here, you will get it. I mean, this step by step you can just. The moment you give it here, it will come automatically. This all. You will not to define it anywhere. So this is the table. This we have to define it automatically. That will come there. So SKEPUS is the table, and this is the field name of that table. What you have to do, you have to just click over here. This all of the field name. Okay, this all are the SAP provided field name. You need not to configure all this.
Okay.
What you have to do, you have to just select over there out of the C. AMPEL traffic lights. Okay, the status. Okay, so this you have to keep it blank, and the length. If you give it 4, so accordingly, here you will get the this 1, 2, 3, and 1 for this. I mean, here 4. Okay. This again, this is what? Determines the number of decimal places. Okay, so this decimal places, if you want to keep it that any decimal places, you can give it over here. Okay. Like if it is amount in passive, so that you can just give it 2 or 1, whatever you want. Like, okay. See here, like that. Because BTRW is the amount, so that is why we have given it 2 here. So that the decimal would also be considered here. And this is for the distance, like 1 character would be for the distance. And what is the data type? The character string. Okay, what are all this? I mean what the type of the field name is the character string.
Okay.
In the same way, okay, vcont is the technical name of the contract account. After that, you have to select the vcont from here. Out of this, okay, the contract account, vcont.
Okay.
Must be somewhere down. See contract account, okay. The same way 12 character length. So we have configured all this against the line layer of ZNI. So the moment you save it, this will come automatically. Okay. Based on that, this will come automatically. This all will come automatically. So this you have to do at the time of, when you start doing the into the implementation. Okay, when you start the implementation, when you get the information, all the like when at the time of this DPT and the solution papers, the designing time, system mapping time, you can just configure all this at that time.
Okay.
Okay. So maintain the sorting variant. For the sorting, how you would sort it. So the CBC, here we have maintained 3-4 type of sorting by contact account, posting date, net due date, ascending order. So that if you select this, it would come as the default. Descending order, this all, this. If you select this, you will get this.
Okay.
Posting date, net due date. This would come as the ascending order. The same way, this would come as the descending order. If you just select this, the descending. We have defined proposal for line layout. Okay, this is the default values for line layout in account display.
Okay.
So what would be the default values? So here we have given the Z1, Z2 or the default value, okay? So if it is the indicator account balance, the default value would be line layout. If you initiator would be running, then the default layout would be Z2.
Okay.
So in that, all open items would be displayed. Here all items would be displayed. Initial screen here would be disabled. Okay.
So this is when you go to SPL9, you just get all this when you try and go to account balance and log top material.
Yeah, this is the one. Yes. Here you have to give this. If you give it by default, this will come.
Okay.
Okay, there we are defining the same, this default values. Okay. What is the default value for initial screen?
Okay, sure.
Yeah, this is what ZN1. Okay, all items on input list.
Got it.
Okay. So shall I show you in the other system like how you can configure this all? Let's just show you.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Fine, no problem. I don't.
Okay. So that's fine. Yes. So with the help of this all, you can just do the finding also like document number, business partner, contract account. Now you can just function all about. Okay, based on this, you can just search, sort, and summarize your complete thing. I mean, based on the document number, you can just search it or sort it. Okay, that way. That, I mean, this you can just do that way. Selection function. Again, based on that, you can just select it like this.
Okay.
I mean, this you can do it, or you can just filter it out also. Based on the posting date.
Hmm.
So this all you can do it, like based on that is selection and all, okay? Go to posting due date. Okay. Select field for sort function, or you can sort it. So the specific field name you can just give it all here. Select
Yes, I
additional
got it.
fields to be displayed. What are all the additional fields you want to be displayed? So based
Okay.
on that you can just give it here. So that by changing the layout, it all would be displayed there.
Sure.
It's not there, I mean, roles, whatever is there. Roles. When we are done with this, these all are not that much important. Yes, you see this here? If you access it from CIC, like the Customer Interaction Center, this is the CRM part of the CIC, from like how you can view customer from the CIC 0, on the CRM front end,
Okay.
right? Let me
Mm-hmm.
show you how you can look into that. And in that case, how the account balance will be displayed
Okay.
from the CRM. What is happening? So this is the interaction center, like front-end officer desk. This is the screen from where they interact with the customer. From here you can look at each and every information. You can navigate to anything. Okay, you need not to go there and key in the transaction code and that's the information or pull anything you want. You can just go into this screen and then screen and get any information, any kind of information. So if you just double click, you get the account display right from there. So how it would be configured from the CIC0 that is there. So here from here you will get each complete information, whether it's you can create an installment plan right from here, you can post a payment. So this is the customized screen. Okay. And so we also
Okay.
provide the standard screen, but here you can just based on the company's requirement and the need, you can just customize the screen. How the company, how the
Sure.
and that particular industry was given. Okay. See here you will get the account balance, contract account. Yeah, so you just right click over here, you can just look into the contract account.
Oh, you can do everything. Okay.
Okay. So these all are the configured. So find setting for account balance in the CIC. We have to attach the profile, the selection method, the line layout CIC, the CIC 0, and the list type. Okay. So this we have maintained in the CIC, there itself. You look it here, CIC HTML there, we have maintained it there. This one, okay? This. Right?
Okay, yeah.
So this is for the budget billing display when called from the CIC.
Okay.
And how the budget billing like BB would be displayed.
Okay.
The default value. Okay. So any question? The configuration of the account balance or anything related to the account balance? Otherwise we'll go ahead
No,
and
not at the moment.
yeah. Yeah, you said anything?
No, not at the moment.
Okay. So we will start looking into the document management then. What is that? If I see a document, it holds all the information about a specific transaction. Okay. So like financial transaction, it holds the financial transaction basically. And in the financial type, what kind of financial transaction it could be? It could be a billing document, it could be a payment document. That way, like it could be miscellaneous posting, it could be interest posting. Okay. That way. So business transaction means move in, move out document and content. This you won't get in the SPL line because it does not have any impact. Okay. So in background, as and when the moving happens, okay, in background the moving document okay gets created, but it does not have any impact in the SPL line. Okay. That is why it is called as the business transaction, not the financial transaction.
Okay.
Yes. So a document contains basically a header item, header data, line item, and the offsetting item. Okay, so there are three parts of the document. One contains the header data, line item, and the offsetting items. What are all these? So just if you look into the any document, let us see any document. So this particular part is the header data, okay, wherein you will have the document number, posting date, document date, what is the type of document. If it is an invoice, you will have the reference, in the reference field invoice number. If it is a payment document, you will have, and the payment is through check, you will have the check number over here, okay. And this is the item, like how many items are there for this particular document. It could be 1 to n. I mean, one document number can have multiple items. See, here we have how many items? 5 items.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is there, and if you just click over here, you get the details of the document header. You display document header. So details of the document header. Complete thing. The reconciliation key, when it got created, at what time, what was the ID, the origin, okay, complete detail of the document header. And if you click on the item, you will get the business partner item. How many business partner are there? Usually it is one. Usually it is one business partner and the one contract account, but it can have more than one business partner and the one contract account also.
Okay.
So in which business scenario it could be more than one? Like if you accept a multiple payment, I mean one payment against two of the contract account. If there is one check, okay, and we have defined in the check that is this check is for two accounts, okay. Like the check amount is 1,000 rupees and it is for two contract account, like two bills of two contract account, 500 each. In that case, document number would be one, but here you will get two contract accounts. Okay? Two contract accounts, but in the FPL line right here, you will have that $500. Okay, but in the detail of the document, okay, you will get the complete information. Like for this, why we have three line items here? Because it has cleared three items. Okay, clear three different open items.
Okay.
Okay, that is why we have three line items. Okay, so it has cleared three items. So these all are the credit, and what was the debit? Okay, so these all are the debits.
Okay.
Or if you just click over here, you will get the details.
So the contract.
Okay. So how many items are there? 1, 2, and 3. Okay.
Yes.
Just give me 1 minute. Someone is just. Okay. So there are 3 items. You will get the complete information here. The business main transaction, sub transaction, the GL number, the amount, net due date. How it got cleared? It got cleared through account maintenance. Okay. Yesterday we discussed little about the account maintenance. So it got cleared. Okay. Using the account maintenance on this date. Okay. So the original date of the document, this particular document is posting date of this document is this, and it got cleared on 1/9/2012. It's the account maintenance. And if you click over here, you will get the clearing document also.
Okay. Okay.
And if you double click on here, okay, it will be displayed. That clearing document will be displayed.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. The tax data again, if you have anything tax related, you will get that detail. Payment data, maybe you can just put a log and the clearing log. If you put a clearing log, it will not be clear. Okay, this particular item is not clear against any credit or
Yeah, I understand.
the same way payment log is there. running data, if you put a log, okay, this is the whole asset is to this document, okay. This is all there. And the GL item, what are all the revenue GL? It does not have any revenue GL because it's a payment, payment on account document. Basically, it is the reset. So if you look into the payment document, you will get that information. So this is the incoming payment. And see, if you see here, this value is coming, creating was reset. So on 10/6/2012, this particular document got reset. And what was the reset document number? So this is the reset document number. Okay?
Okay.
So this is there.
Okay.
Even if you look into the clearing analysis, you will get the complete information.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this is there. The clearing amount, net due, clearing document, net got posted. Yeah? And this was related to particular the payment document. In the clearing data, you will get the clearing document number, the reset clearing document number. If you just double click, you will get that reset clearing document number. Okay?
Okay.
And if you want to look into the reset, like when it reset happened, like how it happened, just go in the details. From here you will get the complete information, like what was the law.
Okay. Okay.
Like, it is got posted the product law, the payment got posted using this number on 10/6/2011. This amount created by this is the entry date, time and all. And right after that, it got reset on the same day. Okay?
Okay.
And these are the reset document numbers.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So the document concept, some documents are created automatically. You can create it manually also. So this invoicing, turning interest calculation, payments, receivables. Okay, so these all documents are created automatically. Okay. So we have defined the default values, the default document type also. Like what would be that document type when the payment is coming. Okay. So these all default values, based on the default values, the document type would be set, and those documents would be created automatically in the batch or when the invoicing happens or when the payment is accepted. Okay. So this is created manually, like miscellaneous posting. If you just click on the like if you process the SPE1 and using that SPE1, you can post the miscellaneous charges. I mean, it could be a credit charge, it could be a debit charge. So based on that, we create the miscellaneous posting. And document type is to classify the document and transaction information. A particular document holds the transaction. So using in that transaction, you will have what the type of that transaction and the GL. Okay, based on the type of the transaction, the GL follows there. So as I said, it has no one to n number relationship on that, and document header can hold n number of business partners, and the same way n number of GL ledger will be there. So this is the document overview slide. Click on there, you'll get the item.
Oh, this is what you showed just now. Okay.
Sorry, Kumar?
This is what you showed just now, isn't it?
Yeah, right. Exactly. you click on the GL item, you'll get all the GL items,
Okay.
revenue GL items. Okay.
Okay.
So benefits of document will maintain complete audit trail, maintain business process data, aids in report, speeds up the universal posting. Okay.
Hmm.
So from there, if there any changes is there, you can also look into the changes. You double click on this document, any document. So this document, this document got partially clear. Okay, so that is why, okay, it is coming in green
Okay.
now. This particular line item on this is
Yes, yes.
particular
We did it yesterday. Yes, I remember.
sorry, Kumar?
Yes, we did this partially clear yesterday. I remember it. Yes.
Yeah. That is why it has appeared in document also.
Yes.
If you double click here, this is also the clearing was reset. So, so this is the data here.
Hmm?
Case of it is written water was AR account receivable, you put new. This is the
Okay.
data here.
Mm-hmm.
Click on here. Here you will get the revenue here. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the account fees.
Okay.
So double click on here, it will, you know,
Take it as GL master.
this is the GL account. It will take you to the GL account.
So GL master is similar to ECC, right?
Yeah, GL master data is a separate thing.
Okay.
So what we need to do, like first you have to gather all the information. Okay, I mean the FICO is already in place. Okay, will be there. Okay, before you start the implementation of the ISU, the FICO, I mean R3 will always be there. So from the
Okay.
R3 will gather all the GS, data GS, revenue GS, and that's all you have to map it here. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And it is coming with a combination of main transaction and the sub transaction. That's true.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And then the main transaction 6,000. Okay. Main transaction
Mm-hmm.
6,000 with the account determination ID NN. Okay. We have
Mm-hmm.
assigned in EK01 this GL number.
Okay.
Okay. And it's if you look into the sub transaction in EK02 for 1,000.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We have assigned this revenue here. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how it gets picked. So, okay. So okay, one more thing. From here you'll get the changes and all, like if the document has been changes, what are all those changes got executed. So no changes for this document, okay? Otherwise you'll get a lock, complete lock, okay?
Okay.
From here, what is the source item? Payment, if it is a payment data, get it. Enabled.
What is the original document? It's a billing document, is it?
What is that? Yeah, original item. I mean, it's see, I will show you. This was the original item, okay? I mean, this is the original item, but if you just see, this is the number, okay? So this is the original. I mean, when it got posted, okay,
Okay.
okay, it looked like this, okay?
Okay. 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 So unchanged format.
Yes, yes, right. Because the clearing has been performed,
Mm-hmm.
so because this message coming, the clearing was reset and all. So if you look into what was the original document, you can just go there and look into that. Okay. So moving ahead with the main transaction and the sub transaction. Okay, let me stop the recording and we'll start a re-recording. Just give me 1 minute.